Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 not working after reinstall. So to fix this issue, you can start by setting your location to always. Just go to your mobile's settings and then go to location services, or you can just simply search it in your search bar. Now scroll down to find Life360, tap on it and make sure that the location access is set to always and your precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is go to your device settings one more time and then search for apps in your search bar and scroll down to find Life360. Now scroll down to background app refresh. Just make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. Now the next what you can do is turn your phone off and then back on, then open Life360 and log in to force a fresh connection to the servers. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.